At first glance, you might think it's a military vehicle from a science fiction movie. Sharp edges, a polished steel body, and a completely unconventional design. But this is no fantasy. This is the Cybertruck, the electric pickup that has terrified automakers and amazed the world. We're going straight into the heart of Giga, Texas, to break down every detail of this revolutionary vehicle and explain why it looks like nothing you've ever seen before. Get ready, because what you're about to see might just change how you view cars forever. The design that shocked the world when Elon Musk revealed the Cybertruck for the first time. In 2019, social media exploded with ridicule. An unfamiliar shape, sharp angles, and a vehicle with no curves. But behind this bold design lies a new philosophy: simplicity equals strength. The outer body is made entirely of 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, the same type used in SpaceX rockets. Why? Because it's resistant to bullets, rust, scratches, and doesn't require paint. And because of its extreme toughness, traditional automotive presses couldn't shape it. Tesla had to develop custom machines capable of cutting and bending the ultra-hard metal, using forces of thousands of tons. As for the armored glass, during the famous launch demonstration, a steel ball was thrown at the Cybertruck's window and it shattered. An awkward moment. But Tesla used that as motivation for improvement. In the final version, the Cybertruck features dual-layered armored glass, a tough outer layer, a flexible middle layer that absorbs impacts, and an inner tear-resistant layer. This glass was subjected to intense testing, iron hammers, metal balls, and high-pressure air, and it passed. At the core of Giga, Texas, the beast is born. It all starts with a flat chassis that houses the massive battery, known as the structural battery pack. The body panels are mounted on top with incredible precision. Every step of the process is handled by massive fourth-generation robotic arms. One arm secures the structure, another laser welds the corners, and another lifts and places the glass without a single human touch. This level of automation allows Tesla to produce a Cybertruck every 45 seconds at peak production. As for the super battery and motors, the Cybertruck is equipped with a new 4680 battery. Cells, large cylindrical cells that provide immense power with less weight. These batteries give the truck a range of up to 800 kilometers and an acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3 seconds. The number of motors depends on the version. A single rear motor, a dual motor version with front and rear drive, and the Cyber Beast version with 3 motors delivering over 800 horsepower. All this power is installed right on the same production line with stunning precision. After assembly, the vehicle doesn't head straight to the streets. It goes through what can only be called a torture phase: vibration tests on earthquake, simulating platforms, water resistance tests inside an artificial rain tunnel, off-road simulations with sand and snow, and even mock crash tests. Tesla performs over 500 quality checks before allowing a Cybertruck to leave the factory. So, is this a car or a revolution? What we've seen today is not just a manufacturing process. It's an industrial revolution inside the world's largest electric vehicle factory. Cybertruck is not only powerful, it's smart, eco-friendly, and built to last for decades without a scratch. It's not a truck in the traditional sense, but rather a bold engineering statement from Tesla to the world. We are literally building the future. Now let's talk cost and technology. Who said the Cybertruck is just a vehicle? It's basically a factory on wheels, powered by one of the most complex supply chains on the planet. Let's begin with the price. The base model with a single motor starts at $60,000. The dual-motor version reaches $80,000, while the Beast, the Cyber Beast with 3 motors, starts at $100,000 and can go up to $120,000 with added features. But where does all this money go? Let's break it down. First, the battery, the heart of the machine and its most expensive component. Cybertruck uses Tesla's new 4680 battery cells, larger cylindrical cells that are cheaper to produce but offer more energy. The cost of a single battery pack of this kind is currently estimated between $10,000 to $15,000, making up about 20% to 25% of the vehicle's total cost. Why this price? Because Tesla manufactures these batteries in its own Gigafactories, reducing reliance on external suppliers, but requiring billions in investment. Second, the armored steel body. Manufacturing a stainless steel body is not cheap. Reports indicate that each unit of this steel costs several times more than the aluminum used in regular vehicles. The body alone could cost Tesla between $7,000 to $10,000 because it needs special machines to process, which drives up production costs. Then there are the robots and the production line. While robots reduce labor costs, the technological infrastructure Tesla relies on, including massive robots and advanced AI software, costs the company hundreds of millions to operate. However, over time, the production cost per vehicle decreases, especially if Tesla achieves its goal of producing 250,000 units per year. So what's the profit margin? Estimates suggest Tesla could make a profit of 15% to 20% on each Cybertruck once production stabilizes, meaning a profit of $10,000 to $15,000 per unit in the best-case scenarios. Therefore, the Cybertruck is not just a design revolution, it's a cash machine on four wheels. In a world being flipped upside down by technology, the Cybertruck stands as a living example of what's called the economy of the future. Batteries made inside the same factory, a body that doesn't require paint, robotic production, and high profits without sacrificing quality. It's no surprise that the Cybertruck is considered the most disruptive product Tesla has ever created. It's not just a car. It's an investment that threatens the entire traditional auto industry. And now we've reached the end of the journey. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments and come back for our next adventure. It's going to be more thrilling than you can imagine. Behind every minute of this video is the work of a full team, from research and writing to investigation, translation, and editing. If you believe this effort is worth it, support us with a like and a subscription. And if you want to be part of the journey, join our channel members and be the first to watch new episodes with exclusive perks just for you.